sleep or last night's drinks. Now my eyes twitching if that prick coughs again in the back of my head. I smash your fucking face in. Okay, that's it, take a deep breath. I've got to get out of here, I've got to clear my head. I've got to clear my head. It's all these words, ideas and different arguments. Someone's always talking when I try to make some sense from all this stress that is constantly going on. I just drift along with no focus or meaning. Lean back, stare up at the ceiling. I just drift along with no focus or meaning. Days in a row with a soy sauce stain, so everyone knows. The shower and the scrub still smell like the smoking bit in a Weatherspoon's pub. I'll have my lunch early, get some sugar in my blood. My clothes still smell of last night. I've got to clear my head. All these words, ideas and different arguments. Someone's always talking when I try to make some sense from all this stress that is constantly going on. I just drift along with no focus or meaning. Lean back, stare up at the ceiling. I just drift along with no focus or meaning. Tourists move so slow, especially now got somewhere to go. And a posh sunny girl going on and on about her dog, Mr. Morgan. It sounds so funny when he used to call him. Mum be like, what are you doing? Please shut up, try to sound confident. In a crap job when your midi cross is done. It's all these words, ideas and different arguments. Someone's always talking when I try to make some sense of all this stress